Hey everyone, welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're going to explore an essential element of HTML, the header tag. Stick around because understanding how to use this tag effectively can greatly enhance the structure and accessibility of your web pages. Have you ever wondered where the branding, navigation menus, and other introductory content of a web page belong? Well, it's all inside the header tag. Let's dive in and uncover its importance. Let's start with the basics. The header tag is like the topmost section of a web page. It typically contains introductory content, such as the website's logo, navigation menu, and possibly other essential elements. Discuss how the header tag is the perfect place to showcase your website's branding. Show examples of how to add a logo using an img tag within the header section. Dive into adding a navigation menu using unordered lists, all, and list items, li. Explain how to style these elements using CSS to create a visually appealing menu. Mention that besides branding and navigation, the header tag can contain other elements like a search bar, social media links, or contact information, depending on the website's needs. Emphasize the importance of accessibility by ensuring that all content within the header tag is appropriately labeled and structured. Discuss using ARIA roles and attributes for improved accessibility. Touch on the importance of responsive design within the header tag. Show how to use CSS media queries to adjust the layout and styling of the header for different screen sizes. Discuss how the header tag adds semantic meaning to your HTML document, making it easier for search engines and screen readers to understand the structure of your web page. Mention that the header tag is typically used once per web page and is placed at the top of the document. However, in more complex layouts, you may have multiple header sections for different purposes. Emphasize that the header tag is where you make the first impression on your website visitors. It's like the welcoming doorway to your digital space, so make it count. There you have it, a comprehensive overview of the header tag in HTML. Mastering how to use this tag effectively can greatly enhance the usability and aesthetics of your web pages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!